What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're jumping into the next one on our Tarja journey and on our Steven Seagulls journey. We've definitely seen them perform together before, and they make it work, even though they're like completely separate genres, like twang twang kind of country, backwoods music, and operatic. Like, doesn't seem like it should go together, but they definitely make it work. Let's see what they did with Until My Last Breath. I don't think I've heard this Tarja song before. So if I do need to go see the original, y'all let me know for sure. Let's see what we got. Hey, we got bass. That's what we got.
Cannot cry it loud enough. I'm giving up this ghost.
Okay.
How can I still justify when you deny my voice? In this nothing, I am not alone. I just follow alone. Words as weapons without
Like she's singing a poem.
echoes dying and born until my last breath. You never know until you feel the silence.
Oh my God.
Gone, now he's vanishing. Everything what we might have been, only now you embrace. Call my name, you don't see.
Oh my God, the bass is amazing.
Who can change this memory? Inside it needs to burn. Worship by the enemy. The guilty take their turn. Watching as it's disappearing. Shadows of that remain. We see slowly crossing over in this parade of pain until my last breath. You never know until you feel the silence. When I am gone, now it's vanishing. Everything what we might have been, only now you praise. Call my name, you don't see
God, Lord. It's absolutely not in my mind. It's not supposed to work, but it totally does. The two different kind of musics coming together. It's very, very beautiful with some kind of twangy instruments, but they sound damn near symphonic themselves. The whole thing, like, it's just really, really creative to do it this way. I almost think we need a whole Tarja and Steven Seagal's album. I might be crazy, but it's very, very beautiful. It really is. It makes me. Somebody give me the backstory on Until My Last Breath. Like, it seems very, very deep, a lot more deep than than my mind can really go at the moment. I don't know. Like, it's just there's some things in there, but it's very poetic and very beautiful at the same time. But it almost feels damn sad, like it's supposed to be super sad. So if that's the case, then somebody let me know what the backstory is, because I want to know how we got to this point. Even though she got a smile, I feel kind of sad.
until my last breath. You never know until you feel the silence. We
For the love of God, somebody tell me if there's a damn Steven Seagulls and Tarja album, or if there's one being worked on, or because we've seen a couple different songs from them, and it's unique. No, I don't see anybody else that mixes the two together that is able to make it like, I don't know. We see a lot of symphonic metal. We see a lot of things like that. Won't see very much like this. I don't remember seeing any other mix of like twang people with opera, and it just works on a whole different level than a lot of other things. It's very interesting, intriguing, and beautiful to me. Like, I don't even know how to put it into words, but it's very at the top of my list. Let me know anything else that they've done together or anything else that you want us to see for sure. Smash the like button if you liked it. The dislike button if you disliked it. Go show Tarja some love. Go show Steven Seagal some love. All the links you need are right there inside the description. Check out the other video up there. One of these guys up here. Till the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.